my name is Lavleen Kaur and I am back with another topic on shooting. Today's topic is not pistol shooting specific per se, but is for all shooting events, which is your shooting diary or your shooting journal, which I often feel is not given due credit. Let me tell you one thing guys, there's a lot more to your shooting diary than just recording your scores. Today, I won't just be sharing with you the importance of maintaining a shooting diary, but I'll also share some tips on how to maintain one. Why maintaining a shooting diary is important. A shooting diary or a shooting journal can be a life savior, particularly when you are going through a slump performance-wise. Our mind is not a computer that can find all the necessary answers, all the necessary informations at the click of a button. This is exactly where your shooting diary comes to the rescue. Your shooting diary helps you in organizing or collecting your thoughts. When you write down your thoughts on a paper, you get a better understanding or better idea of the situation. In the process, it also helps in clearing your thoughts, which might in turn lead to a solution to a problem or a challenge that you might be facing. It helps in goal planning. Your short-term and long-term goals should be clear not just in your head but also in words. The better you are able to spell out your goals, the clearer the picture of achieving them becomes. Planning for upcoming challenges or tournaments. Based on the number of days left for a tournament, you will be able to chalk out a plan in the lead up to the tournament. It keeps us in track. It helps us in making sure we stick to the plan, tracking or monitoring your progress, and knowing whether the plan is really working or if some tweaks are required, noting the observations, knowing what suits you or if certain changes were made or if something new was tried, whether it suits you or not, and lastly, recording your performances or results or your scores. Now that you know the benefits of maintaining a diary, I would just say, don't just think it, ink it. Maintaining a journal in a way makes us more sincere towards our goals. It keeps us on track, acts as a guide when there is no external help or coach around. It helps in clearing our thoughts. Jotting down thoughts helps us analyze our shots better, as you sort of talk to yourself while writing a diary. It's a reminder of your good performances, particularly when you are in the slump. It gives you the courage and confidence to bounce back. It gives you a realization and an insight of possible solutions. Something so minuscule that we might not be paying attention to. It helps in comparing or knowing the difference in different scenarios or programs. It tells you what suits you, what doesn't suit you. It keeps a record of it. In shooting, sometimes when the situation is most favorable, we fail to perform, while when the odds are totally against us, we give our best performance. It helps us analyze our mental state. Instead of writing it down on the back of a target or on a piece of paper or on your phone, a diary gives you everything at one place. It helps a coach analyze your mistakes better. It helps a lot, especially when you change a coach. Sometimes answers or solutions don't readily come to our minds. Turning a few pages of your diary comes in handy. Going through or reading about your good performances takes you in a positive mode. It gives you a sense of self-confidence and faith in your training and yourself. There are numerous reasons for maintaining a shooting diary. So, from next session onwards, don't forget to grab a pen and a diary and analyze your shots. That's it from my end. I'll see you in my next video with some tips on how to maintain a shooting diary. Till then, keep training and maintain your diary.